you just saw in front of us was somebody not paying attention in a construction zone. Which is unfortunate for him, because I do believe he hit that guardrail over there. Just another reason why you need a pre-purchase inspection on anything you buy. Because if he happens to take the car to a body shop and doesn't report it to his insurance, he's never going to get hit by an auto check or a Carfax. All the more reason to always have a pre-purchase inspection on any used car that you buy.